Syspro tutorial for beginners. So this is a simple and easy guide for Syspro tutorial. And it's more on like overview and what are the function of each feature here. So first you just have to go to Syspro, and basically if you want to create an account, just go to customer login. If you don't have an account, go to register now. And there are few things they need. First is the verified email address. If you are new, then you should use your business email address or working email address. And as you can see, sometimes you encounter something like this. Maybe it's because of your region IP address, or it's not yet available in your country. But once you have created your account, then basically you just have to go to login, email address, password, and then log in here. So this is Syspro, and here you can see the following features like solution, industry, product, services, company, sources, partner, contact, and so on. So let's start with solutions first. You can see business management, business digitalization, business functions, business processes, and manufacturing types. So business management in Syspro includes end-to-end business processes, centralized data management, automation and optimization, financial management, and supply chain management. For business digitalization, it offers digital transformation, cloud deployment, real-time analytics and reporting, mobile access. For business functions, it offers financial management, manufacturing operations, inventory, and warehouse management. Now, for business processes, you will see streamlined operations, process standardization, compliance, and risk management. And for manufacturing types, discrete manufacturing, process manufacturing, engineer to order, make to stock, make to order, job shop manufacturing. So, conclusion, it enhances business management by automating and integrating essential functions. Now let's move on to Syspro Industries. First is manufacturing, like what I mentioned earlier. It offers discrete manufacturing, also process manufacturing, engineer to order, and make to stock, and job shop manufacturing. And when it comes to distribution, so distribution industry in Syspro is designed to meet the unique needs of distribution businesses, the wholesale and distribution, supply chain management, inventory management, and warehousing. Now for Syspro Discover feature, it's more on or specialized functions and solutions for business looking to enhance their operations beyond standard ERP features. Okay, now let's move on to product. So here you can see product ERP overview, cloud ERP overview, product features, and ISV partners. So as you can see here, it offers SR or ERP overview, cloud ERP overview, and then ISV partners. So with its robust feature set, Syspro offers a comprehensive solution for businesses in manufacturing and distribution. Now let's move on to Syspro services. So Syspro offers a comprehensive range of services designed to help businesses successfully implement, maintain, and optimize their ERP system. So you can see here the following services of Syspro. Now let's move on to company. So in the company, we see here about this options right here and features right here. If it's up company, if you have concerns with the following, just click this one. For resources, you can see here like customer library, customer success stories. If you are hesitant to try Syspro, just go to customer success stories. Okay, so for Syspro partner. So Syspro partners with variety of organizations to expand the capabilities and reach of its ERP form. So basically, you can see all of the information inside partner. And if you want to contact them, just contact them directly if you have concerns. So these are the features and services and product of Syspro. Now, if you want to know more about this, you can also try to request a demo. To request a demo, you just have to click this request a demo right here. And you have to simply add or enter the following information. You can request your demo today. Just enter your country, your first name, last name, job title, company, and so on. So after that, you can now submit this one and wait for their response. So check your email address for you to be qualified also for the demo. Okay. Now, if you want to know some benefits of using this Syspro, so you can see here some of the key benefits. Reduce cost. You get to choose a deployment for your unique business needs and budget, improve business performance to empower users, and digitalize your business to gain a competitive advantage, and a lot. So basically, you just have to simply create an account. You can go and register now. So again, Syspro is an enterprise resourcing planning software solution designed to help businesses streamline their operations, improve efficiency, and manage core business functions such as manufacturing, distribution, financials, and supply chain management. So since I don't have the account yet, I'm going to show you what it looks like if you have your Syspro. So the first here is the sample of financial dashboard Syspro. So in the financial dashboard in Syspro provides businesses with a comprehensive view of their financial health by consolidating and visualizing financial data from various sources. It offers real-time insights into key financial metrics, allowing finance teams and decision makers to make informed decisions. Syspro's financial dashboard is designed to help businesses monitor performance, manage cash flow, as you can see here, and ensure compliance with financial regulations. As you can see here, there is this real-time financial data. It's very important for financial or to have this financial dashboard. Here you can see the real-time cash flow and also the monitor liquidity and identify potential cash shortage or surpluses. And also you can see here the accounts receivable and payable insights. The financial performance reporting, you can see it right here, budget versus actual comparison. So these are just a few benefits of using Syspro financial dashboard. Now let's move on to sales manager dashboard. So here you can see Syspro sales manager dashboard sample. Here you can see sales performance metrics. The dashboard provides real-time insights into key sales performance indicators such as total sales, sales growth, profit margins, sales target, and more. You can see also here revenue and sales trends, customer insights, sales pipeline management, order management, sales target tracking, top products and services, sales by region, sales by salesperson or team, customer relation management, and a lot more. So basically, these are just a few samples of Syspro dashboard. So as you can see here with my example, you can see how powerful tool this Syspro is, that it provides businesses with the insights needed to manage, especially when it comes to sales performance, customer relationship, and sales pipelines effectively. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.